ERP Next versus Odoo, the two biggest open source ERPs in the world. But which one actually fits your business? In this video, we are comparing modules, licensing, pricing, industry fit, and giving you an honest final verdict. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. ERP Next was built in 2008 by Frappe Technologies in India. Odoo launched in 2005 from Belgium. Both are Python-based, but here's the key difference. ERP Next is fully open source under GPL v3. Every feature is free, no paid tier, no gating. Odoo uses a dual license. Community Edition is free but limited. Enterprise is paid, and that's where the real power sits. User base-wise, ERP Next has over 1 million users. Odoo has crossed 12 million across 170 countries. Now modules. Both share a strong core: accounting, CRM, sales, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, HR, payroll, projects, assets, website, and POS. But ERP Next adds built-in modules for India GST and e-invoice, education, healthcare, agriculture, and non-profits. Odoo goes much wider with e-commerce, email marketing, help desk, live chat, e-learning, field service, rental, e-signing, IoT, a no-code studio builder, quality control, and barcode scanning. ERP Next gives you 15 tightly integrated modules. Odoo gives you 50+ native apps and over 40,000 community apps. Licensing matters here. ERP Next on GPL v3 means everything is free forever. Self-host at zero cost, full source access, fork it if you want. Frappe Cloud hosting starts at roughly $10 per site per month. Odoo Community is free under LGPL but stripped down. The good stuff, studio, mobile apps, IoT, full accounting, that's all enterprise only. The trade-off? Odoo has 4,000+ certified partners worldwide and managed cloud with automatic upgrades. ERP Next has a smaller partner network but complete freedom. Pricing breakdown. ERP Next self-hosted is $0 forever. On Frappe Cloud, roughly $10 per site per month, no user limit. Implementation runs $5,000 to $50,000. Odoo Enterprise Standard starts at about $31 per user per month. Custom plan with Studio goes up to $47. In India, Odoo offers regional pricing around 890 rupees per user. Implementation typically costs $5,000 to $80,000. Bottom line, ERP Next is significantly cheaper, especially at scale. Industry fit. ERP Next is strongest in manufacturing for SMBs, engineering and EPC, education, healthcare, agriculture, import-export trading, and Indian SMEs where GST is built in natively. Geographically, strongest in India, Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. Odoo dominates in retail, e-commerce, professional services, distribution, field service, and multi-location businesses. Geographically strongest in Europe, North America, with presence in 170+ countries. Ecosystem and customization. ERP Next has about 1,000 community apps. Odoo has over 40,000. That's a 40x gap. ERP Next is code first, you write Python and JavaScript on Frappe. Odoo offers Studio for no-code changes plus traditional development. Mobile? ERP Next uses a progressive web app. Odoo has native iOS and Android apps in enterprise. Partner network. ERP Next has roughly 200 partners. Odoo has over 4,000. Scorecard time. Pricing, ERP Next wins 9 to 6. UI and UX, Odoo wins 9 to 6. Module breadth, Odoo wins 9 to 6. Open source purity, ERP Next wins 10 to 5. Ease of setup, Odoo wins 8 to 7. Developer extensibility, it's a draw at 8 each. India localization, ERP Next wins 10 to 7. Global ecosystem, Odoo wins 9 to 5. Honest strengths and weaknesses. ERP Next. Zero license cost, best India localization, clean code base, developer-friendly Frappe framework. But smaller community, less polished UI, documentation gaps, and fewer partners outside India. Odoo, polished modern UI, massive app ecosystem, no-code studio, strong global presence. But best features behind a paywall, expensive per-user pricing at scale, costly version upgrades, and community edition feels incomplete alone. Final verdict. Choose ERP Next if you want truly free open source, have Python skills, are an Indian SMB needing native GST, and value ownership over polish. Choose Odoo if you need polished UX with mobile apps, want a massive app ecosystem, are scaling past 50 users globally, and need e-commerce and marketing under one roof. Neither is universally better. ERP Next wins on freedom and cost. Odoo wins on breadth and experience. Pick what matches your team, budget, and industry. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.